This is the 4th day after the blizzard in Rockville, Maryland, and you can see people working down there. I'm here on the pedestrian bridge, and look at the way, the metro way, the railway actually, no metro, nothing. People are trying to get back to their business, and everywhere is still full of snow. My God, looks beautiful, but you have the side effect, which is removing the snow. It's really cool.
Nice out here today.
Hello, madam. I'm okay. Yeah. Look at the railway. No metro because you got snow on the railway and making it difficult for the train to pass. Here live in Rockville, Maryland.